I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Come.
Okay.
It's too loud, baby. I have to record something, you know? Oh, this is a pretty picture.
This is Mom and Yaya.
Yeah, I know. I see. Hold on.
Hello guys. And what's in the middle? I'll go see what I'm doing. And bye bye. Whoa.
Back to what we was doing before I was so rudely interrupted. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another synthetic wig. I'm getting straight into it. I'm getting back into it. If you guys hear noise in the background, my niece is here. She is watching her little Cocomelon or whatever, and you might hear a little Cocomelon in the background or whatever. I'm getting straight into the video because I have a lot of stuff to do today, and I have like 4 videos to record at one time, and I just don't have enough time in the world. Today I have to do my hair, I have to record this video doing my hair, I have to record my bikini haul, and I have to go get a COVID test, then I have to go host a yacht party, and then I have to come back and pack, and it's just too much, and I just don't have enough time to do everything. So I think something's going to get cut out, which is most likely going to be the yacht party, which I'm really sad about because I really want to go on a yacht party, so it's like, damn. And then I also realized that I always pronounce yacht. I don't know why, because the T definitely comes after the CH, so it's definitely yacht. But very random side note. So I'm about to get straight into it. Synthetic wig, y'all already know how it go. Y'all know how it go. This is Sensationnel Butta lace, 100% premium fiber, and it is inspired or from the makers of wet lace. And if y'all know wet lace, Sensational wet lace wigs are goated. Those wigs are fire. I don't think I ever reviewed a Butta lace wig on my channel before, but we're doing this one. This one is in this style Butta lace unit 3. It does have a middle part. It's not full lace like the regular wet lace. It's HD lace, virtually undetectable. This is what the hair looks like. It's kind of like a, yeah, this it's like this basically. I got it in the color 1B. I've been trying to do 1, but I be feeling like 1 is mad black, and it's a little harder for me to blend in knots, if that makes sense. Oh yeah, look at my nails, guys. Aren't they so freaking pretty? I did a new shade. The B, by the way, stands for bands that make her dance. Bands that make her dance. Bands that make her dance. All these chicks popping and they ain't using hand. Alright, wait. I hate when this happens because I didn't bring no scissors, and I knew I was supposed to bring scissors. I really have nothing on the table. I have no blow dryer, no glue, no spray, no shears, no nothing, no band, no nothing. It's like, what am I doing? I literally just have a table and the wig, and it's like, I know I'm recording a video. Get it together, Stephanie. Y'all already know the wig just comes with standard card. That's really it. Nothing really important that you really need. Okay, so first things first, this lace has like a color to it. It's kind of like a very light brown. It's not too ashy, but it's like definitely way lighter than my skin, and that's kind of interesting because I feel like all the wet lace wigs that I've gotten in the past are pretty see-through, no color. But I mean, maybe I'm bugging. But this is the hair. I'm not gonna lie, this hair is really thin. Like, look at it, you can see through this. It's kind of thin, and I was not expecting it to be thin. I can definitely fix that, but it is really thin, and that's very interesting. Very long and thin, I would say. Honestly, if you would stretch it, it'll probably be like 30 inches, but like from like just looking at it, and look, is this hair? This is hair. This hair? This is hair. But is it because I cut it? I don't know, but that's hair. The hair is very soft, bouncy, very flowy. The curl pattern is kind of like, it's just waves, you know, really just waves. Gives you baby hairs. This is what the lace looks like. The middle part, I'll probably go in and pluck everything. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna go pluck this, and I'll be back with y'all when it's on my head.
The reason that I come here to tell you that friends, lately there's no true friends. PM friends, but you love. The reason that I come here again is be careful with friends. This is my advice to you. I never did that before. I come here to tell you, be careful, very extremely careful with friends, because friends are jealous. Friends don't want you to progress. friends, they can kill you in a minute. You don't know. When you trust a friend and you drinking with that person can kill you. I see that on TikTok, on Facebook, everywhere, and then in reality, everywhere, every day. You could have a drink, and then they put something in the drink, and then you die. You gone. Oh. And that's happened to people who love to make friends.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it.
Yeah, I packed the wig. It's giving now, you know what I'm saying? I put some foundation on. I'm about to finish putting the rest of the foundation on. You know. This wig fits good. Okay, it fits good. I tightened the band in the back. I think it can fit large heads. It will fit kind of like just right. If you got a large head, it's gonna fit just right. So that's good. The lace, it fits me ear to ear, which is also it's yay, because I don't like cutting the tabs off. I feel like that's mad work. I mean, I do it, but it's just a lot of work and I don't be wanting to. But this one fits me ear to ear. Ear to ear, which is cool. So if you have like a wider head or a smaller head, you might have to cut it. I think this is where I want my lace. I think this is, yeah. Cut my lace. I use thinning shears because like it don't be cutting straight across, it be cutting really jagged. So highly recommend. I also recommend using those squiggly scissors that we used to use in like kindergarten, but like sharper versions of those. So like if you search them up, you're gonna find them. They're not for kids, they're actually for adults, because those will make like a line, but that might be a little too like all the way around. It might be a little too, you know, obvious, but you know you can make that work. You can make that work. I got so much sideburns. Somebody the other day was like, because they saw my sideburns, right? It was my friend, because you know I'm not gonna be around no stranger with my sideburns lifting. But anyway, she was like, you have mad sideburns. Like, I'm surprised they not balding. I was like, girl, me too.
Baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine China. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no.
And it was some mousse because it's synthetic hair, and respectfully, nothing is really gonna help revert the curls back to how they were originally. But a little bit of mousse will kind of help like tame the frizz a little. So like this, y'all see this right here compared to the rest. That's what happened when I was plucking, and then you know when you pluck, you gotta like take out the ones that you plucked, and yeah. So a little bit of mousse, and just like, you know, try to work that. I kind of like split it into sections and work it like individually, if that makes sense. Because you gotta like, because if you do one big section, it's gonna clump up like one, if that makes sense. So you gotta like go individual. And
life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're burning up. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. No. It's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like mine.
Ordinary said when you around me, treat me like corduroy, maybe I'm arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts, I can't keep no conflict, but you working, we just rub it out. I don't want no second, but you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been out, baby, reminiscing, maybe I'm missing, no wishing, with thinking what it was.
Exercise in futility. I'm interested.
So, I've been looking for my lace glue for the past hour, and I haven't found it. So, but yeah, I'm looking for my lace glue so I can glue my sideburns down, but I cannot find my lace glue, and I don't know where that shit is at. Alright, so my camera died. Off camera, I just did my edges, which look like this. Y'all know I don't put my sideburns out, but it look like this. This is supposed to be over here. Let's go side. You know, I do not put my sideburns out, but this is what my edges look like. And I put some mousse on it, and that's really all I did. And then I just flattened the top out with some mousse, no hot comb, and this is really the final look. What do you guys think? Did I body? Y'all know I'm not arrogant. I say this every video. I'm not arrogant. Hey, take it easy on me. Comments about this hair. This hair is thin. I'm not gonna lie, it's really thin. Just going like this, like, you know, you can see through it. See through it. Let me stand up for y'all so y'all can really see the length. This is where it comes up to, like the top of my butt. It's flowy, you know, stiff, weird. You like that? It's tangling very fast. Like, this hair is gonna tangle, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So I thought this hair was gonna last me my whole vacation, which is only a week long, but now that I think about it, I don't think it's gonna last me. But yeah, this is what the hair looks like. 10 out of 10 on the lace. Lace is giving what it was supposed to give. Everything is giving. Face is giving. Teeth is giving. Lips are giving. Skin is giving. Lashes are giving. Brows are giving. A video on my brows are gonna come out real soon. My eyebrows and like the process. I recorded a whole video about it. Don't you guys worry. My eyebrows takes a process, you know. Like, I had to get the eyebrows done, and then I had to wait like 6 weeks and then get them retouched up. So you know the video is gonna take a while before it's finished recording, but I just finished my last session, so the video is coming up real soon, you guys. Lashes, I got my lashes done by Courthouse Beauty on Instagram. She's in Brooklyn. Go to her. She bleaked them, I'm not gonna lie. I got these in 3 days ago, and every morning when I wake up I check my pillow to see if I see lashes, and I don't see anything. So I mean,
What I would do to me. Way to do, way to feel the mood. No, you like that shit ain't good, baby. Heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta get some food, she the best of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me on your baby, you don't care. I'm gonna be a nuisance, it's just virgin. Tryna make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, think he was holding me to the right, but it
yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.